Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos section, then go to the watermark. In the watermark you have to enable device watermark, and now you have signature where you can enter your custom text, like your name, your surname, I don't know, maybe name of your favorite photographer, no idea, your tag, maybe some quote. I'm just gonna enter HardReset.Info, and I think this is the great watermark. And now, as you can see, every photo I take will be marked with the watermark, just like this. Shot on my Moto and also my name. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.